Hi Perfume Network, this is Devita Juneja aka Heer and I'm going to answer some of your questions. What was your first fragrance? I believe I started using perfumes at the age of 15 or 16. I was in Dubai with my family and my brother was the one who introduced me to the world of fragrance. And I remember my first buy was Gucci Bloom. I reordered it I don't know how many times because your first perfume is always your favorite perfume. So it is my first and my most favorite fragrance. What was Heer's signature fragrance throughout the shoot? So, I was shooting for 16 hours a day for almost 2 months and I'm a very impatient girl and I just like to spray anything that comes in my hand. But I was still so specific while shooting because you have to be out in the day all day. So my one signature fragrance was Chanel No. 5 and I also love to blend 2-3 fragrances together. So I was using Christian Dior, Gris Dior and I was just blending both of them and I was good for the day. What's one food recipe that you have mastered in this movie? I have been answering this question many times now and for the film I'm playing Heer in Heer Express. I am a chef in it and I have learned how to chop, how to cook, but my favorite and the only dish that I've mastered would be how to make kheer. And there are so many people who keep asking me what all goes in it. So in kheer we put milk, we put rice and the main and my most favorite ingredient would be sugar and that's how we make kheer.
But Devita, do you want to clarify the doubt about you just being good in boiling water?
Oh no, I think I'm great at boiling water and I'm great at making so many things, but let that be a secret and people can go and watch in the film what all I'm cooking. What's your most recent perfume purchase? So my most recent perfume purchase is from Perfume Network and I carry it with me all the time. This is a travel spray by Pardevo and I am just obsessing over the fragrance, but I cannot tell you what's in it because this is my secret fragrance and I am in love with this. Who's one person you cannot live without on set? One person I cannot imagine living on the set would be my brother who is here right in front of me. So Devam, can you come and just say hi?
Thank you for taking my name, Di.
So yes, he's the one who has introduced me to the world of fragrance and the one person I cannot live without.
And the one website that has introduced me to perfumes is Perfume Network. The movie's how far?
Just 5 days to go. What's one dish that you can never resist because of its aroma? The answer is going to be a little cherubic, but if I have to answer this question, I would just say it would be Maggi because I think Maggi's aroma is my favorite childhood memory and I don't think I can ever resist its aroma and I would just have it no matter if I'm on a strict diet or if I'm on a cheat day. Who was the best smelling person on set? So, I was so busy shooting that I didn't end up smelling many people. But the only one person I was smelling and who was around me all the time was my brother, who's sitting right in front of me. I think he's a fan of Middle Eastern fragrances and he was usually wearing Kilian Pearl Oud. And I think I'm just obsessed with his collection and yes, my brother was the best smelling person on the set. What's one thing that makes you feel serene? I have this dialogue in the film which is, I speak it in front of Ashutosh sir in regards to him and the dialogue goes by, Sir, आपने घर का नाम तो Serenity रख लिया but आपकी जिंदगी में सुकून क्यों नहीं है? तो मेरी जिंदगी में सुकून ये है that I love being in front of the camera. The amount of peace that I get in being in front of the camera is absolutely insane and the only one feeling that makes me feel serene. What's one fragrance he loves on a man? The one fragrance is very hard to choose, but I love Tom Ford collection for men. And if I have to choose one, that would be Ombre Leather from Tom Ford. And there's one more that would be Givenchy Reserve Brief. I think that's one of my favorite fragrances on a man.
And Devita, you have also complimented me a lot on wearing Scandal by JPG, if you remember.
Oh yes, oh my god, I'm in love with that fragrance as well. So the next question is, what's your go-to food place in Chandigarh and London? My go-to food place in Chandigarh would be Tugu in Sector 10 and in London I think it would be Disho. These are my two go-to places in Chandigarh and London.
But you also satisfy your hunger for matcha tea in that place where I see you a lot. Can you also name that?
In Chandigarh, I think I usually go to Bataba because I love their matcha so much. What's one childhood memory you would love to encapsulate in a perfume bottle? Oh wow, that's an interesting question. My one childhood memory would be that, whenever I was about to leave for school, my mom would come and give me a cup of milk with Bournvita in it. And I love Bournvita because I think I have the biggest and the hardcore sweetest tooth that is possible. So I still remember how that used to smell and how that used to taste, and that's one memory I would definitely want to encapsulate in a perfume bottle. In your opinion, who's the best smelling actor? Wow, I have not gotten a chance to smell so many actors, but I assume that Shah Rukh Khan sir would be the most and the best smelling actor in the industry. And I've heard he applies Diptyque Tam Dao. I think my next go-to buy would be that. What trait you would like to take away from Heer's character? There are so many. I believe I'm in love with Heer every day more and more, and since my movie is just about to release, I just can't stop obsessing over that character. But if I have to take away one trait, that would be how innocently fearless she is, and she's a happy-go-lucky girl just like I am, and I just love her character. She's so courageous, she's so fearless, she's so vulnerable, and I just love Heer. I think I love Heer more than I love Divita.
Do you think Heer smiles more or Divita smiles more?
I think we both smile equally, but Heer's a happy-go-lucky girl, so I would just give Heer a brownie point for that. What can viewers expect from Heer Express? So Heer Express movie is a movie full of emotions. It's a roller coaster ride. It will make you cry, it would make you laugh, it would definitely bring out some tears in you, but it's a proper full-fledged family entertainer, and I believe when you come out of the film, you would be a better family. Either you would just hug your parents, or you would just call them and say I love you, and that's what Heer Express is for me, and I believe that's what Heer Express will give to the viewers.
Divita, is there any similarity between Heer Express and Chennai Express?
No, there is no similarity between them. The only similarity is the express, but Heer Express comes from how expressive Heer can be, how many emotions she has, and how her family is always there for her. So yes, that's the only similarity. Please go watch Heer Express on 12th September in cinemas near you, and it's a Saaf Suthri Parivarik film, so please go with your family and have a fragrant day ahead. Thank you.